Hello everyone, this is Mead Mods. I've just received a new shipment from JTW Astronomy. I've been waiting quite some time for this. And this is their new Trident GTR mount. The first mount that I got last year came in a partial shipment, in 2 shipments. And the bottom part of the mount was damaged. And the top half of the mount was somewhere in limbo in customs with UPS. So now he's changed how he is shipping his mounts, and he's now crating them and sending it by FedEx. And this came much faster than dealing with UPS. And it came right to my door, and nobody called me for custom fees or nothing. So that was great. So I've already taken, there were some T10 screws along the sides and all the way around the entire mount. And I've already taken those off for the purpose of saving time for the video. So anyway, this is the crate, and this has the new mount inside of it. I have to get this open here. There we go. Ooh, and there she is. And this is bolted to the bottom of the crate, so I'll do that in a second video. I've already looked underneath of it. I had the FedEx guy help me bring it into the house. So, looks like it's nicely packed. And yeah, it's definitely bolted to the bottom of the box there for sure. So I'll have to unbolt it. I did see some bolt underneath. This looks like spray foam packaging. Yep, it's spray foam packaging. Let's see if I can pull this out. Cables and wire. Oh, there's a counterweight bar in here. Okay, I was not expecting that. Because I got a counterweight bar in the first shipment and a counterweight. I left this bar different. Let's go ahead and grab that out. Oh, that's working in too. It's got a wow. Okay, that's got a some kind of strap around it. Okay. Apparently I'll have to do that in video number 2 also. Okay. And there is the packing. Alright. Yeah, that's strapped in there. Alright. So I'll do that in video number 2 when I go to unbolt it, and then I'll remove it from the crate and get it up onto the bench. So I guess meanwhile I'll open up the box. I wanted to do a video on this because I haven't seen an uncrating of this mount coming to the US, and this is the second one, I believe. A friend of mine in Pennsylvania has one, so I think I'm the second person in the U.S. to receive one from JTW Astronomy. Mark Woodward is a very nice guy to work with. It's been touch and go with the other mount being damaged from UPS and getting everything straightened out, but he took care of me. He said he was going to send me a handbox for free for this, for visual observing, and a can of his Stroop waffles. That's a very nice touch. I like that. I got a can on the first mount that I got. And some hardware. And I can't remember. I think the plate. I think that was maybe for hanging a hand box on it. I can't remember. I was hanging right at the point. And this looks like the toolbox. Is this the one step or one step? Okay, Wi-Fi antenna. Very nice. Very nice. And from what I understand, this is an updated box from the original one. It looks like it's got more pins on it than the first box had. And it has an Ethernet and a USB-C. I think the USB-C was on the other one, but I think it didn't have Ethernet. But this is supposed to be a more advanced box. It does more things. That has a lot more options to it. Some more hardware. And he was supposed to send me a mounting plate for my Meade giant field tripod, but I'm not seeing that here, so I'm going to have to call him on that. He said he was going to make one for me on the first mount, but I think maybe he might have forgotten that. Yeah, there's nothing else in here. So I have to call him on getting the adapter plate that he said that he would do for me originally, with the original order. There's nothing else in there. More hardware. Alright. I think that's it. Okay. Cool. So the main core, toe stop for the camera bar, power supply, and these look like the mounting screws for my tripod. Yeah, that's exactly what these are supposed to be for, but the plate is not here unless it's under the tripod, under the mount. It's mounted underneath, but I looked and I didn't see it. So I'm going to give Mark a call here and see if he is sending the adapter plate for that. But anyway, that's everything for right now. Again, this is Meade Mods doing an uncrating of the new JTW Astronomy GTR mount. And I'll be doing a second video with getting it out of the crate and getting everything out and then set it up on the bench. Alright, thanks a lot. Have a great day.